welcome to Chop, Steam, Cook, your go-to for time-saving and efficient cooking with Thermomix and Thermomixfriend. My name is Evelin and I am a food engineer. This is my private passion project to share my know-how. To a barbecue with my friends, I often bring dishes with oriental touch, which brings more taste variety into our life. Today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes, which is a salad and 2 dips, and with our Thermomixfriend this recipe can be cooked in about an hour and 15 minutes.
So our recipe today is a Bulgur salad, aubergine dip and hummus for approximately 10 people. The best part is we'll make it all from scratch and you can make it a day ahead of your party. Who does not like that? We start by cooking the dried chickpeas in Thermomixfriend, followed by cooking bulgur and aubergine in Thermomix. After finish cooking in Thermomix, we continue with dressing, aubergine dip and the finalization of hummus and Bulgur salad. Let's start with the chickpea soaking for 12 hours one day before. Place a bowl on Thermomix mixing bowl lid, weigh in dried chickpeas and water. Set bowl aside and allow chickpeas to soak for approximately 12 hours. Then drain through simmering basket. For the chickpea cooking, insert plate cover in Thermomix mixing bowl. We continue with drained chickpeas, water and baking soda into mixing bowl. Remove mixing bowl from Thermomix, insert in Thermomixfriend and cook without measuring cup 45 minutes 98 degrees speed 1. During this time, we continue with the steaming of the bulgur and the aubergine in the Thermomix. Place second mixing bowl in Thermomix. Place in mixing bowl water, vegetable stock cubes, insert simmering basket and weigh in bulgur. Mix water and bulgur well using spatula. Set varoma dish in position and weigh in aubergines. Cover varoma and steam 20 minutes, varoma speed 2.5. Remove varoma. Remove simmering basket using spatula and set both aside to cool down. Empty mixing bowl. Let's continue with the salad dressing. Place in mixing bowl garlic cloves, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, honey, parsley, mint, olive oil and lemon juice. Then mix 15 seconds speed 7. Transfer dressing to a big salad bowl and set aside. Rinse mixing bowl if wished and continue with the aubergine dip. Place in mixing bowl garlic, onions, olive oil and chop 3 seconds speed 5. Then set simmering basket instead of measuring cup on mixing bowl lid and continue sauteing 3 minutes 120 degrees speed 1. Meanwhile, as soon as Thermomixfriend rings, carefully drain chickpeas through simmering basket and set aside to cool. Add to Thermomix steamed aubergine pieces, coriander, cumin, salt, pepper, chili flakes, tomato puree, butter, then saute 4 minutes 90 degrees speed 2. Keep measuring cup inserted and blend 30 seconds speed 6. Season aubergine dip after your taste. Transfer into an airtight container and set aside to cool. As last step, we will finish our hummus and the bulgur salad. To finish the hummus, rinse mixing bowl with cold water. Place in mixing bowl cooked chickpeas, salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, garlic, ice cubes, olive oil, tahini, and lemon juice. Then blend 30 seconds, speed 8.5. Scrape down sides of mixing bowl using spatula. Season hummus after your taste and mix 40 seconds, speed 5. Transfer hummus to a serving bowl and garnish with parsley and chickpeas. Bulgur salad. Add to salad bowl with dressing tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, and steamed bulgur and mix together. Serve your bulgur salad, hummus and aubergine dip with grilled meat, fish or vegetables. Now we will enjoy our barbecue. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take a look at the following videos for more Thermomixfriend recipes and information. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends so that you don't miss anything. See you in the next videos.